Hello again. This is the second short video about grammar lessons in Unit 6, Culture and Civilization. Grammar, Lesson 11. Here also, look at the book here. We have tables, exercises. We have 3 exercises, A, B, and C. For exercise A, or the whole lesson about what? Introducing countable and uncountable nouns and how we put quantity in front of each type. That's to say, a number can only go in front of a countable noun. I think you have ideas about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable, like what? Things we can count. We can say books, chairs, beds, girls, boys. But uncountable, we don't count them, like sugar, salt, oil, for example. So one of the features of countable noun, we use what? Quantity. 3 girls, 3 boys, but we don't say 3 oils or 3 salts. For exercise A here, look at table 1, write the word for each number next to it. So we say here, by the way, we say 1, 1,000, 10,000. We don't add S here. We don't say 10,000s. 10,000, 1,000. This is as an example. Which number contains the word and when you say them aloud? This is for what? For 2. We can say more example of use and. You see here, we can say and is used before tens and units. Before tens and units. For what? This is for 2. Find the following 3 numbers that are dates: half a million, a quarter of a million. So this is not difficult to do. 4. How are dates different from other high numbers? You can say something here. This is for help. The numbers in dates are often divided into 2 when spoken. For example, 1999. The word 1000 is omitted. You don't say 19,099. You say 1999. You see here, 2. The word 1000 is omitted, is not there. It's deleted. This is not always the case. For example, 2002. You say 2000. We don't say 22 O's. So this is an exception. It dates 2002. For 5, what is the difference between 1,000 men and thousands of men? I will leave this for you to do. Exercise B, or here, exercise B and C. You do exercises B and C, but let me give you ideas about them. Exercise B, look at table 2. Decide which group of nouns is countable. Let's say, you put an article or a number in front of them. So we put a number or an article. You know articles like a and an, or numbers. So we say euros, houses. This is countable noun or nouns that can be counted. Uncountable nouns or mass nouns, the same thing, by the way. You say uncountable or mass nouns. We can't use articles here or numbers. We don't say 3 money or 3 clothes. We can say 2 euros, 10 euros, 1,000 euros, or 3 houses. Add the following words to the correct column. You see, so we have job, work, advice, problem, wife, house, work. For what? For this. So exactly the left-hand column, uncountable, countable, clothes. Some examples of other plural nouns are earrings, goods, belongings, and trousers. They have S, but they are what? Are considered what? This is exercise B4. Exercise B4, clothes. The question is what? B4, decide which countable noun in this list is always plural. Can you think of any other nouns like this? Which countable noun in this is always plural? So we can say for here clothes, always plural, and earrings, goods, scissors, belongings, and trousers. Always what? Always plural. For exercise C, look at table 3A. Complete the table with the suitable quantify. Quantify means what? Number or quantity. Quantify comes from quantity. So I can do one as an example. I was happy because 900 people, say here, came to the wedding. Let's see. How do we answer this? Exercise C. I was happy because came to the people, accountable, a lot of people come to the wedding, uncountable. We had too many tables. Is that fine? This is for what? For exercise C in grammar lesson 11. This is the end of lesson 11. Now let's move to 12, lesson 12. Lesson 12 also we have four exercises, A, B, C, and D. In A, let me check with the PowerPoint. Lesson 12, exercise A, we use how many with countable nouns and how much with uncountable nouns. This is for exercise A. Because complete the questions with much or many. Yeah, do the rest, please. Exercise B, look at table 4, decide which time phrase or on the left goes with each prompt on the right. You have to what? To match. Also here I will give you an example to show you. Examples of 1 and 2. Before the wedding, the family decided on the date. After the wedding, the bride and groom went on holiday. So I've matched these two examples for you, or I have answered them for you as an example or as examples. Exercise C. Exercise C. Look at table 5A. Which auxiliary and form of the verb is used in the sentences? To complete the second sentence using the third person form, you see third person form. I have eaten too many cakes. He. So you have to use here third person. Of course, we use what? As and you write here in past participle. Past participle form. Exercise D. Look at table 5B here. Complete the questions. Make sure you use the correct form of verb. The one is, or he, have you ever eaten too much or too many? You write here. Can show example if it's possible here. Exercise. Uh, have you ever met a famous person? You have many choices, by the way. So this is what exercise the end of unit 6 lesson 12 grammar. So this is second short video, the conclusion of unit special education lessons, grammar lesson 12. I hope we meet soon or start unit 7, maybe recorded lectures like this or PowerPoint presentation with the recorded audios.